In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests to ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful project management platform designed to help teams stay organized and collaborate effectively. Whether you're working with clients, contractors, or external collaborators, ClickUp allows you to invite guests to specific parts of your workspace, giving them access without compromising your workflow. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to invite guests and manage their permissions, so you can make the most of your ClickUp workspace. Let's dive in. To get started, open your browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, sign in using your preferred method. This could be your email address, or you can use a connected account like Google. Once logged in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, you can switch between them by navigating to the top area of the interface and selecting the one you need. Next, locate your profile avatar or name in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, and from there, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your account and workspace settings. On the Settings page, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section called Admin Settings. Within this section, click on People. This will bring you to the People view, where you can manage all users associated with your workspace. In the top right corner of the People view, you'll see a button labeled Invite People. Click on that, and a form will appear for you to fill out. Here you'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type it carefully to make sure it's correct. Once the email address is entered, you'll see an option called Invite As. Make sure to set this to Guest, as this role will allow the person to access only the specific areas you share with them, without giving them full access to your workspace. After confirming the details, click on the button that says Send Free Invite. The invitation will now be sent to the email address you provided. Be sure to inform the recipient to check their inbox for the invitation email and accept it to gain access. Once the guest has accepted the invitation, you can manage their access and permissions by sharing specific spaces, folders, lists, or tasks with them. This way, they'll only see what you want them to see, ensuring your workspace stays organized and secure. If the person doesn't respond and the invite shows as pending in the People view, you can resend the invitation from the same area. This can be helpful if the email was missed or accidentally deleted. Finally, if you ever need to adjust or revoke a guest's access, you can do so easily from the People area in the admin settings. Just locate their name and you'll find the options to update their permissions or remove their access entirely. And that's it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly invite guests to your ClickUp workspace and manage their access with confidence. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.